Hello and welcome back. Looks like today we're working on number 159. Start with this row here. We're missing 1, 4, and 6. Got a 6 here, so 1, 4, a 1 here, so 4, 6, and no help here, so 1, 4, 6. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 3 here. So 6, 7, 6 and 7 here. So this is our 3, a 7 here. So 6, 7. And then we can get rid of this 6 here. And that means the only place in this row that our 6 can be is here. Look at this column. We're missing 2, 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 2 and 9 here. So 3, 7. 7 and 9 here. So 2, 3. 2 here. So 3, 7, 9. And same here. 3, 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 2 and 9 here. So 1, 4. Same here. 1, oh, nope, but we've also got the 1 here. So this is our 4 and our 1. So we're still missing 2 and 9. I don't see any help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, 8, and 9. We've got 6, 8, and 9 there. So this is our 3. No help here. So 6, 8, 9. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 9, and a 6 here, and an 8 here. So this is our 9, that makes this our 8, and this our 6. And this 3 makes this our 2. That 2 makes this our 9 and 2. For this row now, we're missing a 3. For this box, we're missing a 4 and an 8, and I don't see any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here. So 7, 4. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 5, 9. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here. So 1, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 5. No help over here, so 1 and 4. So we're missing 3 and 7 for this row, but we've got a 7 here, so this is our 3. That makes this our 7. And then we can get rid of these 7s up here. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 2 here. So 1, 4. So that means the only place our 2 can be is here. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here. So 8, 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here. So 7, 4. For this box then, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 2 here. So 3, 9. A 2 here. So 3, 9. That means our 2 has to be here. And if we look across this row now, the only place our 7 can be is here. So that makes this a 3, which makes this 9, 3, 9, 3. For this top row now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here. So 8, 7, and that 8 makes this our 4 and 8, and that 4 makes this our 1, 4, 1, 4. So to finish out this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here. So 5 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.